In the world of high-end commercial real estate, every detail matters. Dirt and grime are more than just unsightly. They're a statement about your business. Introducing Excel Cleaning Services, where excellence meets cleanliness. We understand the unique needs of luxury properties. Our specialized team uses state-of-the-art equipment and eco-friendly solutions to ensure a spotless environment. Witness the transformation as we bring back the shine to your floors and surfaces, creating an impeccable impression for your clients and visitors. In today's world, sanitation is paramount. Our rigorous cleaning protocols ensure a safe and hygienic environment for everyone. From towering skyscrapers to exclusive retail spaces, we cater to all high-end commercial properties. Excel Cleaning Service has been designated as an approved supplier of the Super Bowl 58 Business Connect program. We are one of 200 local, diverse businesses identified as a certified, experienced company approved to compete for contracts related to the Super Bowl. #It's happening here. Excel Cleaning Services, where luxury and cleanliness converge. Contact us today to elevate your property's standard of excellence. Excel Cleaning Services, redefining cleanliness in luxury real estate.